Hi, my name's Ed Thompson. I'm the CTO here at Matillion. I want to speak to you today from our Altrincham office just outside Manchester to introduce you to Matillion as a company. We're a data integration company, and that means we build data integration software across the three major cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, and GCP. Right now, we're looking to expand our engineering team, and we'll drive that growth by hiring agile, collaborative teams focused on quality and innovation. One of our values is that we care about our people and our communities. On our engineering team, we demonstrate this with our flexible working environment, hack days, and multiple learning opportunities. We also allow you to share in the success of Matillion by providing you with equity in business. We understand that you might not be looking for a new role right now, but if you want to come and talk to us about our technology, meet our team, or just take a look around our offices, please get in touch with us. Thank you very much.